Understanding the debt snowball method. The debt snowball method is a strategic approach to paying off debt in a way that emphasizes small, manageable victories. It works like this. You start by focusing on your smallest debt, and once it's cleared, you use the funds that were going towards that payment to tackle the next smallest debt. For instance, you would first eliminate your medical bill, then move on to the credit card with the freed up funds, followed by the car loan, and finally, the student loans. Research indicates that the feeling of achievement from these small wins is crucial when dealing with challenging tasks. The debt snowball method incorporates these wins, boosting motivation and effectiveness. Instead of being overwhelmed by a large debt total, you tackle a smaller, more manageable amount, making the process feel less intimidating. Insights from the Kellogg School of Business at Northwestern University reveal that individuals employing the snowball method tend to pay off debts quicker. Further, data from the Journal of Consumer Research underscores the psychological benefits of this method, highlighting that people feel a stronger sense of progress when they concentrate on clearing the smallest balances first, fueling their motivation to continue. As you progress to your larger debts, they will seem less daunting, and the goal of debt freedom will be within reach. Also consider the avalanche debt payoff method. While the snowball method has a high success rate, the avalanche method is superior from a mathematical standpoint. It involves paying off debts with the highest interest rates first, which can save you money on interest over time. In the given example, you would prioritize paying off the credit card debt first because of its higher interest rate, then tackle the auto loan and student loans in sequence. Free debt snowball spreadsheets for 2023. A spreadsheet can be an invaluable tool in orchestrating your debt payoff strategy. Fortunately, there are several free debt snowball spreadsheets available for Google Sheets and Excel that can also help you evaluate the avalanche method, ensuring you have the best plan tailored to your unique financial situation. Check out the links in the description below. Subscribe now.